So today marks the end of the hearing of two serious civil cases that were before Honorable Justice Alfred Mabea that touches on Mumias Sugar Company Limited. The first case is the insolvency case that was instituted in the year 2019. In that case, there were several applications, some of them, the gist of which they were trying to challenge the removal. In 2021, on 19th November, Justice Alfred Mabea appointed an official receiver to take up the administration of Mumias Sugar Company. Since then, there has been several applications filed by various parties, some of them seeking the removal of the official receiver, some of them seeking substitution of the official receiver by other options, some of them also seeking to challenge the actions of the official receiver. Those cases have been heard simultaneously by Justice Mabea and have been concluded today.
We have managed to produce evidence that some of the companies that have been given the molasses plant, some of the companies that have been fighting this are registered in Panama, the famous Panama link, that several money laundering activities through our affidavit that we have filed, that we have provided to the press, provide that these are dubious companies. These are companies that are out to make the Kenyan public lose their assets of Mumias, and we hope the court will agree with us that such companies that have bases in Panama are not allowed to bring in money through money laundering and extort or take out the money from the Kenyan economy. Two, we have also provided evidence to the effect that KCB, the biggest bank in this country and this region, the fourth biggest bank in Africa, has given Rao the power to lease the bank, to lease the Mumias. Therefore, anybody doubting and challenging the decision of KCB, then that person is not a foreigner, because those are people that are registered in Panama Islands. The third issue that we have raised is that a smallest bank, what's the name of that? Victoria Commercial Bank, the last bank in terms of monetary assets, property assets, deposit assets, is purporting to put up a fight against KCB. Is it really prudential decision making that Victoria Bank can be given the one to run Mumias Sugar Company? So it is our position that KCB should be left to run the bank. KCB, the receiver manager, should be left to run the bank. Sarrai group of companies have promised that once the judgment is given, within the next 4 months, we shall be having sugar, Mumias sugar, on our teapots. The judge, out of the public pressure, for the first time, the judge has had this matter continuously, the insolvency matter and the leasing matter, and the judgment is going to be given by notice